Hey, welcome back. I'm Christian Walsh with CB&A Realtors, and today I'm taking you inside 5806 Eden Crest Court and Long Meadow Farms. And this one genuinely stopped me when I walked in. 20-foot ceilings at the entry, first floor primary suite, game room, media room, 3-car tandem garage, and a cul-de-sac lot with no back neighbors. Over 3,600 square feet of living space actually makes sense. Before we walk through every room, I want you to pay attention to the layout. This is the kind of floor plan that's really hard to find at this price point in Richmond right now. Let's go take a look. You won't be disappointed. Okay, as we walk in, I want you to notice the, well, first of all, the hardwood floors. Absolutely gorgeous. But then also, look straight up. You got 20-foot ceilings. I mean, just a grand entranceway. Beautiful. You can see all the way through the house, through the backyard. Okay, and then you look to your left, you have the formal dining room. Absolutely gorgeous. Then you look to your right, you have a wonderful office, completely surrounded by windows. You can see both or 3 windows right above or behind the desk. Plenty of room. It's a good size office with a ceiling fan. Come down the entranceway, the hallway here, and you have your first half bath. Okay, I think everyone knows what a bathroom looks like. And then you walk into the family room, and you have your gas fireplace with that grand mantle right there. Beautiful mantle. And it opens right up into your kitchen with this massive, massive granite countertop. Or granite island, I'm sorry. Okay, and then you have your walk-in pantry. Very good size. Lots of shelves in there. Your gas cooktop. Upgraded microwave. And then you have your kitchen nook area. Completely surrounded by windows. 5 windows right there opening up to the backyard. And the covered patio. We'll go out there in a little bit. But look at that. Absolutely perfect space. Well planned out space. And you may be wondering where this door goes to. This door goes to the garage. The tandem part of the garage. So remember, it's a 3-car tandem garage. Lots of space in here. Obviously there's room for 2 cars up there. This family is getting ready to move out, so you know they've got their storage stuff in here, so nothing to worry about there. Obviously plenty of space out there. Back into the kitchen / family room. We're going to take a right down this little hallway here, and you have so we're going to walk right down to this little hallway here. You have a little semi butler's pantry here. Keep on walking, and you have your laundry room, and it's very, very good size. You have your own built-in cabinet and cabinets and granite countertop over there. Very, very convenient. And of course this opens up to the formal dining room, and then you have another entrance to the 2-car garage, 2-car portion of the garage. Okay, like I said, very, very good size. 2-car garage opens up to the the tandem portion of it. Like I said, you know, this family is getting ready to move out. As you can see, space is not an issue. Okay. I'm going to walk back into the kitchen, into the family room. Then we're going to head upstairs, but make sure you watch this video to the end, because down there, down the way, that little way, that's where the primary bed and bath, and you do not want to miss that. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, we're going to go upstairs first. As we go upstairs, we're going to talk about this home being Beautiful home, and it is absolutely well thought out space. Okay, you walk up here and open this up the stairs, and it opens up into this grand sitting room where they have couches and a TV and what have you. And oh, what's this over here? Enough room for a desk right in front of a window. Okay, and then you have a media room that was turned actually into storage, and it's actually a bedroom. But see how there's no windows, so this could be a media room. So you could have your projector, your large screen, a couple couches, lazy boys, and have your football games, your movie nights, your really entertain some people. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Then you walk in and you have a full bath, okay, which goes from the hallway into a bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. Very, very good size. Very good use of space. Come out here, make a right down the hallway. And look at how, I mean, the whole ceiling, everything. Remember those 20-foot ceilings I showed you at the beginning? Look at that. Everything. And look at all those windows. Makes you feel like you're outside. It's beautiful. Oh, look at it. Stay tuned. We're going to go in there and you got to see the primary. Keep watching. You come down here and then you look over on this side and you've got the front door. You can see the office, the entrance to the formal dining room. Just really, really well thought out space. Now, we come to the end of the hallway. We'll take a right into another bedroom. Very, very good size. Okay. You can see that entrance right there, which that goes to another, into a Jack and Jill bath. We're going to go through on the other side though. And walk down the hallway. Here's the other bedroom. Very, very good size. All the bedrooms are very good size. A lot of space. This happens to be, looks like a double bed, but I mean, you can see there's plenty of room on either side. Those big nightstands, and there's room between between the wall and the nightstand. There's lots of space. Okay, and then I'm gonna walk through to this Jack and Jill bath. You can see nice, plenty of counter space there. You have your shower and tub and toilet. Then you have the other side of the Jack and Jill, and we're in that same bedroom that we were before. So we walked all the way through. Now let's go head out and go back downstairs and look at the primary. We'll save the best for last. Okay, now we're at the bottom of the stairs and at the entryway of the primary bedroom. And you walk in, I mean, immediately you can see all the way to the end, and you can see those beautiful windows. It completely opens up the bedroom, makes you feel like you're outside almost. Make a quick right. Double doors into the primary bathroom. Massive, massive tub. Huge. Nice little countertop over there to put, the beautiful displays. You have one vanity right there. Another vanity. Okay. Then you have your huge walk-in shower, complete with a bench seat. And then you have your toilet. And we have a bathroom or a closet here. Everyone knows what a closet looks like, but very, very good size. And this one's actually a 3-decker closet. So you can see you got 1, 2, 3. All the way at the bottom on both sides. 1, 2, 3. So, and a window, put some natural light, even in the closet. Even in the primary closet. It's really, really well thought out space. So, I told you. You didn't want to miss that primary. It's a beautiful primary. Very, very well. The space was thought out very, very well. But yeah, so I'm Christian Walsh with CB&A Realtors, and you can please reach out to me. Reach out to me if you would like a private showing of this house. My phone number is 281-750-2915. Or you can reach me at christian@christianwalshhomes.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.